Jai Srimanarayana. Fifth sloka from 14th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Sattvam rajaha tamayiti gunaha prakriti sambhavaha nibadhnanti महाबाहो देहे देहिनम् अव्ययम् ओम. Realize that and always remember that as a soul, Atma, you are beyond those three modes: sattvagunam, rajogunam, tamogunam, goodness, passion and ignorance. But those modes are belongings of prakriti, the material nature. Realize that because you are coming in contact with prakriti through your body, you are also feeling that you are conditioned by those three modes. Sri Krishna Paramatma, as an essence of Bhagavad Gita, asking you to surrender to Him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, surrender to me unconditionally. Do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha. Now you respond back to Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana, following these lines. O Krishna, O Srimanarayana, I shall always remember the fact that I am beyond those three modes: sattvagunam, rajogunam and tamogunam. O Srimanarayana, I shall surrender to you unconditionally. I shall not cry anymore. Srimanarayana, karishye vachanam tava. I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your will. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimanarayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam सुखमुखादमृतद्रवसंयुतं पिबत भागवतं रसमालयं मुहुरहो रसिका भुवि भावुकाः. नमस्कारं टु श्रीसुखयोगीन्द्र. यं प्रव्रजन्तमनुपेतमपेतकृत्यं द्वैपायनो विरहकातर आजुहाव पुत्रेति तन्मयतया तरवोऽभिनेदुः तं सर्वभूतहृदयं मुनिमानतोऽस्मि. नमस्कारं टु नरनारायण, चतुर्मुखब्रह्मा, सरस्वती देवी, व्यासमहर्षि. नारायणं नमस्कृत्य नरं चैव नरोत्तमं देवीं सरस्वतीं व्यासं ततो जयं उदीरयेत्. ಶ್ರೀಮದ್ಭಾಗವತಮು ದಶಮಸ್ಕಂಧಮು 10th ಸ್ಕಂಧಂ 266th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukayogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, Sri Krishna Paramatma along with his brother Balarama and his friends Gopalas wandering, going here and there in the forest. The one who will be walking in the streets of Vedanta, such Paramatma now walking in the forest. కమలతోడన్ పెనంగి కడుడయ్యు చతురుడు ఆభీరజనులతోడ Penagidayu, the one Paramatma who always enjoys with Mahalakshmi Devi. Now such Paramatma being here as a Krishna, going here and there in the forest, playing with Gopalas, singing with Gopalas, and getting tired. Paramatma, the one who is the shelter for all living beings of this entire universe, such Supreme Paramatma, now here as a Krishna, going here and there in the forest and getting tired and seeking the shelter of shadow of trees. He wants to relax over there. యాగభాగచయములు ఆహరించు మహాత్ముడు అడవిలోని ఫలములు ఆహరించు. Paramatma Srimannarayana Paramapurusha, the one who accepts all the havirbhagas, havis, from all the yajnas which are performed by great yogis and munis. Havis is the food for Supreme Srimannarayana. Now such Srimannarayana as a Krishna here in the forest, picking up some fruits and other herbs and eating them, that is what is food for Krishna now. Anye tadanu rupani manojnani mahatmanaha gayanti sma. Paramatma, Supreme Srimannarayana, the one who is praised by Sakshat Samavedam, now he is as a Krishna being praised by Gopalas. Gopalas praying and singing so many songs praising the glory of Krishna, and Gopalas' hearts are melting towards Krishna. Gopalas drowned in the love towards Krishna. What happens next? We will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatno Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasitravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita 14th chapter 5th sloka. Sattvam rajastama iti गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो देहे देहिनमव्ययम्. सत्वं रजस्तम इति गुणाः प्रकृतिसम्भवाः निबध्नन्ति महाबाहो देहे देहिनमव्ययम्. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.